sa Livgood. Kahit hindi batol guys, it's only news company, okay lang yan. Bigyan kayo ng 100% full refund. Third is, yung mga presyo natin is close to factory price. No? Ibig sabihin, dito sa industry natin, it's an incredible prices kasi napaka ganda ng quality pero napakamura ng presyo. Wala tayong auto ships dito, wala tayong monthly product requirement to buy. In fact, ang Livgood is now the #1 global business na pwedeng lahat ng mga Pilipino, no, ay pwedeng sasali dito. So what is Livgood? Livgood is a club membership. Okay? It's a club membership company just like Costco, Sam's Club, Amazon Prime, or just like Netflix, Disney. Dito sa atin, local companies, itong Landers, Sinar. No? This is the first direct selling company na club membership. It's one of the uniqueness dito sa Livgood. Okay? It's a club membership. No? First, wala pang kapareho ito dito sa industry natin. Tayo yung nauna, tayo yung nakaposisyon as a club membership company na direct selling industry. Now, napaka-simpleng mission meron si Livgood to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Guys, wellness is a $1 trillion industry. Ang purpose ng wellness is prevention rather than cure kasi mas mahal pag nasa hospital na tayo. And then, pinaka-the best na supplements na dapat i-take natin is yung mga high-end quality. High-quality products, high-quality supplements. Ang problema lang, no, mga high-quality supplements ay yung presyo mahal din. But sa Livgood, we have a solution. Very high-quality product pero close to factory price yung product natin. Ika nga affordable, no, sa lahat. So in the words of our Director of Network Marketing, ni Sinodor Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top to be compliant and get rich are over. Tapos na dito yung mga mamahaling produkto, no? We were told, no, na-educate po tayo na kaya mahal yung product kasi high quality. Yung totoo pala guys, mahal yung product not just because of the quality but because of the compliance. Yung compensation pala, yung major component, bakit mahal yung mga high-end quality product. Okay? Although taas naman yung quality, taas naman yung presyo sa mga high-quality product, but the more siya naging mahal because of the compensation plan. Now guys, dito sa Livgood, there is no complan on our products. Kaya yung presyo ng mga products natin, binigay yung pinaka-absolute price, yung price na talagang mismong babayaran ni customer para continuous yung paggamit ng mga produkto. Kasi once patuloy yung pag-patronize natin sa mga produkto ni Livgood kasi maganda result sa katawan natin, tuloy-tuloy yung paggamit natin. So, lalago yung business natin dito sa Livgood. Okay, so Livgood is founded by Ben Linsky with more than 20 years dito sa industry, ma-online or ma-offline. And then, ito yung mga co-founders ni Ben, si Ryan Goodkin. He's a doctor of pharmacy. No, siya yung formulator ng mga products natin. His wife, Lisa Goodkin, is in charge for product education. And then si Noder Casa naman, is a legend dito sa network marketing. Siya po yung director natin of network marketing. Now, initially, we have wellness products for all. No? So, again, as I mentioned earlier, ang mga produkto ni Livgood is of highest quality products because yung ingredients all natural and then sourced from the most pristine locations of the planet, then world-class manufacturing facilities. So again, lahat ng mga products natin are made in the USA. Yung process, yung packaging, yung in-process inspection, production are approved by the GMP. No? GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practice. Then lahat ng mga products are tested for laboratory for purity and potency. Okay, so ito yung proof na ipakita natin sa mga friends natin na magtanong kung ano ba yung backing mo kung sinasabi mong high-end quality product. So, number one, kung US made yan, high-end yan. Pangalawa, kung high-grade yung mga components, high quality yung products. But ito guys, no, tayo lang yung company na pinapakita natin sa system natin, sa back office natin, yung certificate of analysis sa lahat ng mga produkto natin. So, isa ito sa mga major reason bakit ako nag-join agad ni Livgood kasi dati tayong nag-process ng product registration to other countries. Then isa sa mga important documents na hinihingi ng other countries para ma-register yung product is yung certificate of analysis. Kung wala tayong may bigay nito, we cannot register our product in any countries. But dito sa Livgood, no, binigay na talaga dito sa atin yung certificate of analysis. Makita na lahat sa dashboard natin. So just check sa website natin, sa back office, din check niyo yung anong product na gusto yung i-check yung certificate of analysis, nandun lahat. Okay, so product comparison, no? Makikita natin dito na totoong affordable, hindi makapaniwala na presyo na product natin. So first, yung CBD oil, no? Cannabis oil na for now hindi pa ito available sa Pilipinas, it only cost $18. Nasa 1,000 pesos lang i-compare to other brand na more than $80. So with Live Good, we can save up to 75%. Now, look at our magnesium complex. Magnesium natin is only 8.25 compared to other products natin, no? We also have Super Rich, guys. It's one of my favorite products sa Live Good, no? Super Rich is for cardiovascular health. It's good for circulation, brain and cognitive function, even sexual health, no? So napakaganda nito. And then again, napaka-affordable ng presyo, nasa $18 lang compared to 69.29 ng Organifi Reduce. Now, what about Super Greens? Yung Super Greens natin, ito yung for whole immunity at saka detox na supplementation. Sabi nga ni Lisa Goodkin, if you have a body, you need Super Greens. Just like if you have heart, kailangan mo na Super Reds. So, member price natin sa Super Greens is only $18, no? Compared to, again, sa Organifi, $69.99. If you're familiar with Salvio and Santee Barley, guys, no? Member price nila nasa almost 2,000. Sa atin, 1,000. At isama pa natin yung shipping na medyo may kamahalan ngayon, like 600 pesos, lalabas na affordable pa rin yung Super Greens natin, and it's of higher quality. Now, look at our serum, no? Yung tinatawag natin ageless skin serum na only cost $14.25 for members, no? Compared to $60, $86 to other serum products in the market. Okay? Now, multivitamins. No, we have multivitamins for women and multivitamins for men. Stick capsules po ito na yung halaga is only $9.95. There's only 570 or 560, no? And then it is a bioactive supplements. Ibig sabihin lahat ng mga ingredients ay functional, no? I-compare natin yan sa mga existing competitor, no, na nasa $46.8 and yung iba is $29 or $30. Okay? Pinakasikat na product, no, sa pandemic, we learned na most sa mga taong infected ng COVID is deficient ng vitamin D3. Okay? And then vitamin D3 sa Pilipinas, yung di pa maganda yung quality, it's cost more than this, no? Yung atin $8.5 lang. Nasa 500 pesos lang compared to Metagenics na nasa $34.45. Okay, so factor 4, no? Ang dami nating product talaga, guys, no? Factor 4 is anti-inflammatory. It only costs $18.5 compared to $56 from our competitor. Ang dami, no? And latest natin na addition sa product line natin is yung collagen peptides. It only costs $27.95 versus almost $70 for Organifi. And we also have sleep patches sa mga taong hindi makatake ng supplements for kung kailangan nilang tulong sa pagkaroon ng magandang tulog, no? You can use our sleep patches. It's only $14.25, no, for member, compared again to the competitor na sobrang mahal. Okay? And then last kong itakol is yung energy and focus patches natin na still, no, $14.25 lang for member compared to $69.25 sa ating competitor. So again, going back sa sinabi ko, affordable or mura yung product natin, not because hindi maganda yung quality natin. Okay, dito lang sa Live Good nagsasama yung totoong affordability and high quality. Bakit? As I mentioned earlier, walang patong, walang kumplan yung product natin. Hindi kikita si upline pag bibili yung mga downlines ng product. Kasi yun po yung major factor why mahal yung mga produkto. Okay, so para mas lalo nating maintindihan si LiveGood, let me explain to you some of the popular club membership in the whole world. First, meron tayong Amazon Prime na kailangan mo magbayad ng $14.99 per month para you can have a free shipping nationwide. Okay? Costco, still in the US, kailangan mo magbayad ng $100 or $120 per year para maka-access ka ng kanilang mga produkto. Netflix, for unlimited movies, kailangan mo magbayad ng 500 plus a month. Diba? But si LiveGood, almost the same or mas lower pa yung ano natin, yung subscription natin. It's only cost $9.95 per month. Kung gusto mong makasave ng 20%, go for 1-year subscription. So ano ba yung makukuha natin dito sa LiveGood? Highest quality products, absolute price. So again, dito lang sa LiveGood lang mangyayari na nag-meet yung high-end product at saka affordability. Okay, so there are two types of membership sa LiveGood. Number 1, club membership. Number 2 is affiliate membership. Now, if you are a club member, you can save up to 75% sa mga products natin compared to other network marketing companies. And how to become a LiveGood member? Hingin nyo lang yung sponsors link. Bayad lang tayo na $9.95 per month. Okay? And then we can access products at member price. Now, if you want to make money, guys, mag-affiliate po kayo. Kasi unlike okay, so let me explain how to become an affiliate, no? So bayad lang tayo ng one-time payment of $49.95. That is about $2,900. And then after that, $9.95 per month na. Ganun ka-affordable yung business natin. And then what do I get with the $49.95? Okay? So of course, access to membership club. Pwede kayong magabili ng product na gusto nyo at member price. Then pangalawa, digital marketing products. We have in online store, meron tayong marketing materials sa opportunity at sa mga product. And napaka-importante, we can participate sa ating compensation plan. So in fact, as a LiveGood affiliate, you can earn at least $2,000 per month or more, guys. No? So stay tuned with the compensation discussion. Okay, so yung business natin is subscription. Since LiveGood is a club membership company, so as a member, we are paying for monthly subscription just like Zoom and like Netflix. So Zoom, last year yung kita ni Zoom is nasa 2.65 billion. Si Netflix naman nasa 31.6 billion. Si Costco, sa membership fee pa lang per year, nasa $3.5 billion yan. Now, ano yung pinagkaiba? Kasi may similarity si LiveGood with them. Similar in the sense na pareho sila club membership. But what's the main difference? Si Amazon Prime at saka si Costco, si Sam, si Netflix, si Disney, kahit i-inform, kahit nang refer tayo sa mga friends natin, neighbors natin na mag-subscribe kayo sa Amazon, subscribe kayo sa Sam's Club, Costco, hindi naman applicable sa atin to, mga company na to. Netflix na lang. Kahit mag-subscribe, no? Lahat ng mga friends natin mag-subscribe sa Netflix because of us or sa Disney Premium, wala tayong kita. Kasi hindi naman ito affiliate marketing itong mga company na to. But with LiveGood, guys, okay, i-share natin tong LiveGood opportunity, LiveGood subscription, LiveGood membership, bibigyan tayo ng kita. Okay? This is the only club membership that pays, no? So, first tayo yung first direct selling company na club membership and tayo lang yung first club membership na nagbabayad. Okay? So, bakit tayo nagbabayad? Bakit nagbabayad si LiveGood sa mga members? Okay? Kasi yung mga may-ari, believers nila sa power of referral, the word of mouth marketing. Okay? So tayo yung mga affiliate, binigyan ng opportunity na mag-spread ng good news ni LiveGood. No? Can you imagine if Amazon or Netflix, when this started years ago, ay meron silang affiliate? Di ba? So if if meron silang affiliate 5 years ago, and then tayo yung nagkalat, tayo yung dahilan na dumadami yung subscribers nila, milyonaryo na tayo ngayon, not in peso but in dollars. But guys, kung na-miss natin yung Amazon na yan, na-miss natin yung Netflix na yan, dito sa LiveGood, makasabay na tayo. Okay? So, more than 50% ng sales ng company binigay sa mga affiliate depende sa ating performance, depende sa mga ilang tao yung na-refer natin na nag-subscribe ni LiveGood as a club member. Okay? So yung 50%, more than 50% na budget no, na sinabi ko kanina, more than 50% ng kita ni LiveGood ay ibabalik sa mga affiliate depende sa performance based from this compensation plan. Okay? So ginawa ng Complan para we will be motivated, no, by building our organization dito sa LiveGood. Okay? And LiveGood Complan is powered by a powerful Unilabel and Force Matrix. Okay? And we have 6 ways to earn. So first way to earn, yung tinatawag natin na fast start bonus, no? So what do we mean by fast start bonus? That is direct referral. So for every person na ma-refer natin na magbayad ng affiliate fee, ibigyan tayo ni LiveGood ng $25. That's it, $25. So dalawang affiliate sign up lang, break even na tayo. Di ba? And then kagandahan ng fast start bonus natin is hanggang 10 levels deep. So ibig sabihin yung mga direct mo or level 1 mo, if they start to refer other people and then nag-join din, magiging level 2 mo yan. You will earn from level 2 up to level 10, depende po sa rank. So mamaya, i-discuss natin yung ranking. And then second way to earn is yung 2x15 matrix. Ito naman yung galing sa monthly subscription. Okay? So ang feature po dito ng matrix natin, number 1, for every affiliate, dalawa lang yung pwedeng makonek sa atin. So halimbawa ako, may 51 directs. By the way, i-congratulate natin si Coach Alexis Pedrico, nasa top leaders board na ngayon, no? Nasa top na si Coach Alexis, no? So again, yung 2x15 matrix, kikita tayo ng $0.25 per month per subscription kahit di natin yan direct. Kahit spillover lang yan. Okay? So for example, this is you, no? Ikaw to. And then halimbawa, sobrang busy mo pa, no? Pero active ka sa subscription mo. Din yung apply mo man sobrang aggressive. So mangyayari diyan, no? Yung excess niya na dalawa, lalagay yan sa ilalim. So possibly it could be under you kasi wala kayong ginawa eh. And then kung gagalaw din yung ibang mga affiliates under mo, panalaw ka na. AY. So again, ang features ng ating 2x15 matrix, dalawa lang yung pwedeng ilagay sa iyo. Ibig sabihin yung excess ng mga appliance mo, ilagay sa under sa iyo. And then as long as sila ay nagbabayad ng monthly subscription, you will earn $0.25 each per month. So, titingnan natin sa table na to, kung wala kang rank, Windows wala kang rank, wala kang referral, you will be given up to level 12 dito sa LiveGood na 2x15 matrix. And your potential income is $2,000 per month. Guys, you heard it right? So kahit wala kang invite, meron ka pa ring chance na kumita ng $2,000 per month, no? Based sa mga spillover mo. But guys, hindi tayo nag-encourage dito na maging affiliate kayo and then you do nothing. Kasi again, yung affiliate, you are decided to become a business partner sa mga sponsors nyo. We explained na kikita ka ng $2,000 per month kahit walang recruit, but actually it's a reverse psychology. Kung kikita ka na wala kang gagawin, how much more kung ginagawa mo yung business? In fact, kung mag-rank up ka, bronze to silver, magdoble yung potential income mo sa matrix, maging $4,000 per month yan. Kung mag-gold to platinum ka, mag $8,000 yan. Hanggang magiging diamond ka, up to $16,000 per month. Yung income potential mo sa matrix. And third, ito yung pangatlo na i-emphasize ko, no, nakitaan, yung matching bonus. The matching bonus is a monthly bonus of 50% from what your directs earn in every month from their metrics. For example, ikaw po to, this is you. And then mayroon kang direct na kumikita ng $1,000 si metrics isang buwan. So 50% of that is your matching bonus. Kumita ka ng $500. Kung itong tao na to kumita ng $500 sa metrics, meron kang $250. If this person earn $100, meron kang $50. If this person na direct mo kumikita ng $200, meron kang $100. Ang kagandahan nito guys, this is infinite. Walang limit kung ilan yung gusto mong i-refer dito. And then another powerful concept ng ating matching bonus is not limited to level 1 lang. No, level 1 mo, that's 50%. If you rank up to silver, kikita ka pa rin ng 10% generation match. Kung gold ka, kikita ka pa rin ng 5% third generation match. Kung platinum ka, kikita ka ng 5% fourth generation match. And diamond ka, 3% fifth generation match. Ganun kaganda. And then, baka maputulan ako dito ng power or connection, i-discuss ko lang, if you are not yet an affiliate member, consider this family account setup kung kaya nyo. Ano ba yung family account setup? This is you, and then pasok mo na yung dalawang family members mo. Kasi ang purpose ng dalawang family members mo, hindi mo i-encourage to work the business. Iano mo lang, sa Bisaya pa, ibangil mo ba? Okay? I-position mo lang. So, ano mangyari? So, you will become a bronze affiliate pag mayroon kang dalawang direct. Kikita ka ng potential income mo sa Matrix is 4,000. Now, kung kumita ka na ng 4,000 sa Matrix, ibig sabihin guys, napuno na yung 2 by, napuno yung 2 by 13 mo. So, if mapuno yan, puno din yung Matrix ng Family A mo, pati yung Matrix ng Family B mo. So, kikita din sila ng $2,000 per month. And then, since direct mo sila, mayroon ka rin 50% matching bonus. So, guys, potential income natin for this sit-up is up to 500,000 per month. That's a potential income. Okay? So, we just position ourselves na in the long term, ito yung kikitain natin. Kaysa hindi mo ito ginawa, nasa $4,000 per month lang yung potential income mo. But by simply adding 2 accounts na nakapusing lang, okay? So, maging doubling or even triple yung potential income natin. Okay? So, power of matching bonus, okay? Kung mayroon kang 13 directs na busy, hindi talaga aggressive pero active sa membership nila, okay? So, potential income mo dito for 30 directs is 1.68 million per month sa matching bonus lang. Okay? So, again, that's potential kasi that's future. No? So, kailangan natin i-work out yan. But, if you're like Coach Fernan, na yung vision niya is 100 direct referrals, dito sila lahat maging diamond. So, what will happen kung diamond yung direct referrals mo? Kikita sila ng $16,000 sa Matrix. And then since you are their sponsor, may matching bonus ka na 50%. That's 8,000 times 100. That's 45 million potential income. Kahit mangyari yan 10 years, 5 years from now, okay lang sa akin kahit 10% pa. No? Pero guys, to tell you honestly, Coach Fernan is now earning more than 3 million per month. No? So, it is not possible. It's doable. Kailangan nating simulan lang. Kailangan natin mag-take action. Now, this is an example sa power ng ating matching bonus. So, this is from our upline, no? Itong income na to, income niya February, kumita siya ng $600 sa Matrix, pero yung matching bonus niya ay 6,000. In the next month, March, tumaas yung Matrix bonus na naging 900 and then yung matching niya sobrang taas, nasa $14,000. But look at in the month of April, guys, 1,000 yung Matrix bonus but yung matching is 24,000. Hindi na namin hiningi yung sa May at saka sa June, saka July. Sobrang taas talaga guys. This is more than enough to encourage us na talagang kikita tayo dito. Yung fourth way to earn is retail sa e-commerce dropshipping to. Skip muna natin to. And yung fourth is also influencer. This is about e-commerce. Position muna tayo ng paramihin muna natin yung affiliate natin sa kabagsakan natin ng e-commerce at dropshipping training. Guys, yung team Global Diamonds, yung team natin, yung expertise natin nasa e-commerce at dropshipping business. Siguro by next year, yung tutok natin is dito na sa e-commerce and dropshipping. Turuan natin lahat ng mga affiliates natin dito sa dropshipping na hindi yan Pilipinas yung target but global. Okay, and then last way to earn is yung diamond bonus pool. Sabi ko na kanina, wala tayong mga upline, walang kita sa product that yung mga downlines are purchasing. But once you become a diamond, guys, 2% sa sales ng company from membership, from affiliate, from product sales will be divided among the diamonds. Last month, yung shares nila nasa $6,000 per diamond. And we also have another diamond pool. Itong Crown Diamond Pool, 0.5% of total sales from all membership and product sales is divided equally among all Crown Diamond affiliates. And last month naman, yung share nila dito is nasa $25,000 in a month. Okay? Kasi dalawa lang sila. Kaya ano natin, join tayo ano sa mga affiliates nandito sa room. Workout natin na maging Crown Diamond din tayo in less than 1 year para may kahati din sila. Di ba? So ito yung ano natin, pinaka-apply natin sa Pilipinas, si Fernando Santiago. Si GC Garcia naman yung apply natin from the US, saka si Tim Miller. This coming September 22, mayroong event sa Manila, will be attended by 1,000 affiliate members. Pupunta dito si Upline GC Garcia. Okay, so sa mga gustong humabol, may 200 tickets pa na unsold. Okay, so pwede kayong habol para at least kita-kita po tayo doon sa September 22. Now, where is the biggest money? Sa mga gustong talagang kumita ng malaking pera agad. Okay? So explain ko na where is the biggest money dito sa Lindgod. Okay? So the biggest money is in matching bonus. Why? Yung weekly fast start at saka matrix income naka-max na yan. Yung retail commission naka-active type yan. Kung walang binta, walang kita. Yung diamond pool at sa crown diamond pool is shared income yan. Ibig sabihin equally divided. But yung matching bonus, depende yan sa number of referrals natin. Kaya paramihin natin yung referrals natin. Hindi naman 100,000 yung cost ng ating membership, 2,900 lang para nagbinta lang tayo ng isang product na isang company. Diba? May isang company dito na binta nila isang product, 30 capsules. No? Taguin lang natin sa pangalang Life Vantage. Is 3,000 pesos for 30 capsules. Sa atin, membership na yan. Diba? Okay, so again, may oras pa. May 5 minutes pa sa battery life at saka internet natin. Discuss ko lang saglit how to rank advance. Kung wala kang direct or isa yung direct mo, unrank ka. Potential income mo sa Matrix, $2,000 per month. And then, pwede kang kumita ng $25 sa mga referrals mo. But, kung meron kang dalawang direct, bronze ka. Potential income sa Matrix, 4,000. Meron kang up to level 2 na fast start. Silver, 3 bronze. Ang importante dito is total team members mo is 20. 10 directs or team na meron kang 20 sa team, silver ka. So again, 4,000 yung matrix income potential hanggang level 4 ka sa fast start. Gold, 3 silver with 100 team or 30 directs with 100 team. 8,000 na yung potential matrix income mo hanggang level 6 ka. Platinum, 3 gold with total team of 500 or 100 directs with total team of 500, 8,000 matrix income potential and then hanggang level 8. And yung sa diamond, 3 platinum lang with total 2,500 active members or subscription, platinum ka na. Or meron kang 5 leg, nating 500 affiliates per leg, platinum ka na. You will enjoy the maximum of 16,000 matrix income potential and then up to level 10 yung fast start bonus natin. Okay? So, again, ulitin ko lang, yung more than 50% na sales sa company, ginawang kumplan ni Lindgod para tayo ay maging motivated, ma-share itong business na to, no? Hindi natin yan ma-enjoy pag wala tayong why. Wala tayong reason. Kahit gano'ng pagaganda yan, kahit gano'ng pagkadaling kitain yan, pag wala kayong dahilan na bakit nyo itong gawin, wala din mangyayari. Kailangan din munang i-establish yung ating why. Diba? Ano ba yung mga problema mo? I-convert yan into finances. And then, pagkatapos, i-convert natin yan into action plan. Ang pinaka-doable sa lahat ng active plan is yung be an active club member. Hindi ka nagre-recruit, proactive ka, na-subscribe ka monthly, or you can upgrade to yearly para makasave ng 20%, order products as you need, you can earn dividends from Matrix Spillover. Kikita ka kahit wala kang recruit kasi, bakit? Kasi yung Matrix natin is 2 by 15. Walang ibang kalagyan yung mga sponsor na nagsobrang hataw doon sa ilalim na natin. And every person na spillover natin sa atin, kikita tayo ng $0.25 per subscribers per month up to a maximum of $2,000 per month. Di ba? Pero again, sa sinabi ko kanina pa, pinakita natin yung possibility or chance na kumita ka ng $2,000 kahit walang recruit. But it is just for foundation or reverse psychology. Kung kikita tayo ng walang gagawin, pero waiting lang, how much more if we exert effort na palaguin yung business natin? Kung sa power up to lang guys, ibig sabihin, hanap ka ng 2 affiliates in your first month and then stop and then stay active with the membership and then duplicate. Alam nyo ba na up to 12 level in 12 months, kikita ka na ng $2,000 per month? In just 1 year? Di ba? Versus $2,000 per month na waiting. So, itong power up to, pinadali yung $2,000 per month mo. Pero hindi ka dito magiging diamond. Kasi dalawa lang yung direct mo. No, kung gusto ka, sabay ka sa advokasya namin, yung power up din. Okay, so kung meron kang 10 directs, ano mangyayari? Okay? So yung 10 directs mo, turuan natin na makahanap din yung 10 directs. Okay? Up to, kung gagawin natin yung every month, up to 4 months, guys, magkaroon ka ng 11,000 members. And what if 30% lang yung realization? Ibig sabihin, 70% supply. Umabot pa rin ng 3,000 yung members mo. Diamond ka pa rin. Earning an average income of $10,000 per month. No? Yung mga diamond natin ngayon is nagda-diamond si Coach Fernan, 61 days lang. Yung second diamond sa Pilipinas, 81 days. Di ba? Ganun ka-doable yung negosyo natin as long as you have a reason to do it. May why ka ba? Di ba? So, top 4 reasons to join agad. Number 1, very simple and powerful and lucrative yung pipla natin. Very simple kasi kahit wala kang gawin, pwede kang kikita up to 2,000. Very powerful at lucrative kasi kung trabahuin mo, kahit less than 1 year, kikita ka ng 500,000 naman. Di ba? Third, meron tayong marketing system, tools and training every week. No? Yung marketing system natin, makukuha mo yan pag member ka na. Yung tools and training, you can access it. Once you become a member, also will live good. And then, number 2 reason, very high quality and very affordable product. Ito yung magsusustain sa business natin, yung affordability and high quality ng mga products natin. And lastly, we just launched globally. Guys, nagsimula pa lang tayo, not just sa Pinas, but in the entire world. Okay? As of now, yung members natin hindi na 300,000, nasa 660,000 na tayo. Kaya natin makuha itong target natin ng 1 million before December end. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. The next big thing is nasa ilalim, yung 100 million to 1 billion members in the next years to come. Di ba? Now, every successful company follow a success curve. There are 3 basic components ng success curve. First is yung formulation stage na 2 years. Second is yung critical, yung momentum, 3 to 7 years. And then next is yung stability. Guys, nasa